Hello and welcome to section number 2, activating your Shopify monthly payments. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate the payment plan on your Shopify and get a full access to all features on Shopify. This will cost you only €1 or dollar a month for next 3 months. Okay, so let's go and select our plan. Okay, you can select one of the free Shopify plans. You can see that there is options for solo entrepreneurs, small teams, and business at scale. My personal suggestion, if you are just starting, go with basic. You don't need to pay a lot of money for your web store if you are not generating any profit. Yes, if you'll get an higher plan, you can get more options, but it's not worth it at start. So keep it simple and go with the basic plan. This, from my opinion, will suit your business the best. In this lesson, I will select a basic plan for Shopify. Let's select. Now I will need to enter my payment info. I of course will blur it out. After you are ready with your credit card information, you can click subscribe. You can see over here today it's free, and after February 15, which is 3 days, we will be charged €1. So from May 15, the full payment for the plan will be active, and we are getting 3 months off for only €3 or $3, which is a good offer from Shopify that will help your website build its audience and clients. Let's subscribe. Okay, now I need to do a verification. Since I'm in Bulgaria, my visa verification is in Bulgarian, so sorry for that. Confirm. And our website is verified for payments, and our plan is selected in Shopify. Let's wait. Okay, so Shopify confirms that the plan is selected. Let's close it. Okay, now Shopify confirms that our card is approved and we can subscribe for Shopify. Let's subscribe. Now our subscription is active and we have full access to all Shopify features. This is how you activate your Shopify subscriptions. This is all for this lesson. In next lesson, we are going to dig deep in how to connect your domain to your Shopify.